Puzzle game. The puzzle game teaches the concept of block joining to the users. This game teaches the user to join the blocks, create stack of blocks, change instructions in the variable blocks, placing stack of blocks inside a container block. In this game, the user has to match the picture of the animal or bird with its name, select the number of legs of that animal or bird, and choose the correct traits or characters of these animals or birds from the given block options. When the puzzle option is clicked, a dialog box appears on the screen. This dialog box shows the user how the final set for each animal or bird will appear. Click on OK button to start the game. To play the game, follow the given steps. 1. Drag and drop the picture of the animal or bird to its name. 2. Click on the drop-down arrow in Legs option and choose the correct number of legs of that animal or bird. 3. Drag and drop one trait block to the other trait block to create a stack of 2 blocks. Now, complete the puzzle by completing the sets for other animals or birds. 4. Click on Check Answers button on the top right corner of the window. If some answers are incorrect, the message that appears on the screen looks similar to this. 5. Click on OK button and correct the highlighted sections. Once all the answers are correct, the given screen will appear. 6. Click on OK button. The home page will automatically appear on the screen.